How to activate your PNC Bank credit card account online. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of 1 to Step. If you're also trying to activate your card of PNC Bank, then in this video let me show you how it's done. Now before I move on and show you, subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos. Now as you can see, there are two methods of activating your credit card. Either you can do it offline by calling the number, but however if you're trying to do it online, you can either do it using the mobile app or the online banking service through the website. So what you need to do is just first open up your online banking. So search for pncbank.com. Click on sign on the top right, and then you'll need to log into your online banking first. If you don't have online banking, you'll need to first enroll on it by clicking on enroll in online banking. Now once you are logged into your online banking, you just need to head over to the account activity page on your credit card account and then click on the activate card link, and you can follow the steps to activate it. Once the card has been activated, you can instantly use the card. So that was the easy process of activating your credit card of PNC Bank. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos just like this.